Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm new in the game, Pokérush, and if you want to find more about what we do and what we represent, you can find more about us in the description. Please subscribe also to our channel. There are also a lot of funny things coming up in a way. A lot of opening up packs, booster packs, UPCs, name it up, tints, whatever you want, latest sets, older sets. We're gonna do a lot of things on this channel, and today we're gonna start by opening up an ETB of the latest Scarlet and Violet era, Twilight Masquerade. There also comes a good cool promo card inside of it, so I'm definitely wanna take a look at that to see how the card is, and also to see what we're gonna pull out of the packs. That's already what we hear from on the channel, to see if we can get any crazy card or even the Greninja EX that's inside of the card, and that's a really chase card and a well-known card between the Pokemon lovers. So let's start up by open up the pack. This is also my first time doing this, not opening up a booster pack of course, but starting up a YouTube channel. And the reason why we're doing this is because we really open up a lot of packs since we've been collecting Pokemon for years now, and by this way we want to let it show to you guys as well whatever we have up in our sleeves and inside of the boxes. So let's take a look. ETB always comes with a nice packaging. The artwork is also good on this one. Also it's a little bit shiny, as you can see, well known. You have the player's guide where you can find all the cards, the specialties, the rarities, the full arts, and the secret rares and everything. So we have our sleeves, Twilight Masquerade, nice. Our code cards, you can see. Our promo cards, very nice. This Ogre Pond really looks nice. It's also well centered. Any cracks or spots on the card, very nice. Let's continue. Our base set of energy cards, base pack, card holders, and then what we came for, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of the latest set, Twilight Masquerade. We also have, oh, it came in differently. As far as I can remember, it came differently in the box, but they changed that. So, okay, cool. Put that back. And let's start opening up some packs. We'll start with this one. Let's open it up. Code card. Put it away. First off, we start with a Fee base, a Vulpix, Eevee, Jerify, a Sharpuff. I see something shiny. And it's a first antipode. Not bad. Let's leave this one up. Put it away so we can put it also in our set. You can also see this is a holo, also nice artwork. So let's continue. It's gonna be really crazy if you pull up an EX or a secret rare or something like that. Really curious what they have inside of this ETB, since there are 9 packs. Mostly I get the packs out of a booster box or UPCs. I got more luck with the pull rates on that boxes, but let's give it a chance. Let's continue. Darmanitan, Leafeon. Really, I love this card. Also the evolutions process, always been great. And at last the Sinisha, also hollow. Let's leave that up. And continue. Let's continue. I'm gonna open up a new pack. Gonna happen, or isn't it going to happen? Let's find out. Abra, Snorunt, Chimicho. And again, oh my god, how many of those cards are in this set? It's like you always pull the same. Last time, I've opened up like 20 of these packs and I believe I had like 7 of those. So that's a bad sign, I don't know. But let's keep the energy high, guys. Let's keep the energy high, guys. Amaret, Wacky, Loyalist, Ducklet, Glimora, Poliwrath, Hassel. Oh, this is actually a really nice card. Let's leave that up. It's an Arcanine, Hollow. It's actually a very beautiful card. Let's leave that up. Very nice. Well centered also. Very nice card. Actually happy with this. Not complaining though. Let's continue, guys. After this we got like 4 more to go, so I'm curious what this set is going to offer us. Let's proceed. Volbeat, Luxio, Dreepy, Sandygast, Bellibolt, Flute, Boomerang Energy, Morpeko. Whoa. Wow. They got the Augearfron EX. Very beautiful. Very nice. I told you guys we're going to hit something out of this ETB. I didn't expect this one coming though. Really surprised. Nice. Let's put it as well in a top holder immediately. So that the card is saved. Save the card at all costs. Save the card at all costs. Let's place it here. And let's proceed, guys. And again, you know, the code cards always on the back. Let's proceed. I'm even sweating by pulling up this card, man. What's gonna be next? Are we going to get another crazy pull? Watrel again, Reveroom, Florges, Trainer card. Nice Reverb. Oh, this is also a nice card. I believe I actually pulled this one. Not bad. Not bad. Let's leave that up as well. Nice, not bad. Place it here. And a reverse holo Monkey Dory. I don't know what it is with these monkeys, but looks like a very angry monkey, this one. I'm telling you, dog. Telling you. Let's leave that up, put it aside, and let's proceed with the next pack opening. Twilight Masquerade, guys. I'm also curious about the laser sets, like Shrouded Fable, that's coming up in August here in Europe, since we're from the Belgium, Netherlands. So curious what that set going to offer us. Clefairy, Faroom, Probopass. You can also comment it below in the section what your opinion is about the latest sets and about what you think about this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Pokérush. Pass it on to a friend as well, and to all the Pokemon lovers out there. And again, Ahisarian Arcanine, Reverse Holo. And again, We got a full art Obsidian Max. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy. I didn't see that one coming actually either. Wow. It's an Greninja EX. Very nice. Wow. Very nice. Crazy pull. Crazy pull. Wow. Out of an ETB, guys. Crazy pull. Look, you have here the hollow EX. And then here you have the full art. Actually crazy to get both of them in the same set. That's crazy. Crazy. Actually, I also love this ball that they placed out on this one. The coloring of it, a little bit pinkish for the ladies out there. Not bad, it would think about you girls. And then we have a walking wake. Also hollow. Actually looks nice as well, this card. Let's leave that up. And let's proceed with the last 2 packs remaining before we end this session. And proceed this week more with upcoming news about latest Pokemon events and new pack opening, guys. Let's proceed. Aramuka, Eva, Poliwag, Helioptile, Chiyu, Mightyena, actually double with a reverse holo and a single base, Chimichar, and a Tinglu hollow. The same like the first Antipil that you see here. I pulled this one actually up several times, also out of this set. So the printing of those is crazy, how they print these. Chimichar also really looks nice. Let's leave that up as well. Let's proceed with the last pack. Maybe the magic pack, who knows? The last pack, guys, Twilight Masquerade. Last pack opening, guys. Curious. Is it going to happen? Are we going to pull the Greninja? Yes or no? Chansey, Draclo, Poliwhirl, Kuruki, and a Sinistcha. No, this time it didn't happen, guys. But please make sure to keep an eye on our channel, subscribe to our channel, pass it on to a friend, leave a comment below in the section, and keep you updated and I keep you posted. Till next time, guys. Pokérush.